Buonasera, benvenuti al nostro corso italiano che abbiamo iniziato oggi e con facile la lettura che ho consegnato, the one I've given you before. So let's start, give it a start of our course. And the first basic thing we'll need to learn is this. First of all, no? It's not about that Italian alphabets are different than English alphabets. How we pronounce them, that's a very basic thing that you need to remember. And every alphabet is pronounced exactly as it's written. And we will read each and every alphabet in every letter, every sentence, So everything that's written is there. There's no silent words. There are no alphabets that sound like something else. That there'll be no pneumonia starting with a P. Such things won't happen. Just the way it is written. And we will first of all start with our vowels. You need to keep your microphones off because in your own room, we need to exercise with the mouth. It's very important because very often English is spoken with a very flat movement of the lips. We can speak, that's why with a stiff upper lip, we can speak English and pretty much get away with it. Italiano è tutto rotondo. It's all wa, o, u, and so we have to train our tongue to be able to pronounce these words. Okay, so basic vowels are the A we pronounce is at A. We don't say A as A, we say A, we pronounce as A. So, A come albero. Please repeat with me like that, na? A come albero, like A as in, A as in tree. Albero is a tree. Now, the alphabet E is pronounced as how we pronounce the English A. So, E is pronounced as A. So, we'll not say euro, we'll say euro. So, we'll say euro. We'll put A, U, R, O. Everything is pronounced. So, not a single alphabet is there for no reason at all. So, you see, when I say albero, so albero. I pronounce each and A, L, B, A, R, O. Euros, A, U, R, O, euro. Now, the I is pronounced as E come Italia, okay? Even the word English is written as inglese, so Italia. So remember, A, E, I, O is come O, same thing, O is the same as in Italian, and U is U, okay? U come uno, so we say uno as one. So the A, E, I, O, U will sound in Italian as A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. That's our vowels. Consonanti is simple. With a B, we'll call B as in banana. Banana. Okay. Now, for example, the same word banana, the A is pronounced in three different ways in English language. Look how crazy English language is that way. Because we have the same alphabet, we have same different sounds. Banana. So we say the one R we say ba and then we say nana. So that's why we have pronounced it. Here we say banana just as it's pronounced. B come banana. C we say chi. Please repeat chi. Chi come cane. Cane means a dog. So we say K-A-N-A. We pronounce everything. Chi come cane. Now there are no sharp D's and T's in Italian. We don't say Dennis and we don't say danger. We say Dennis and danger. Domodossola, all soft. The D's and T's are very mild and soft. So we'll say D come due. We'll not say due, no, due. There'll be lip fill between our teeth and say due, due, due. Okay. F come fungo. Fungo is a mushroom. F is like that now. It's written there. G is pronounced as G, come the famous what everybody knows, gelato. So you see, I say gelato. I pronounce each and every alphabet. H was not there in Italian language. It had to be introduced because the Italians were incapable of saying her. That her doesn't come when they say hotel. They'll not be able to say the hotel. They'll say hotel. The candle will not flicker in front of the mouth. When you say hotel, the candle should literally blow off. But in Italian, it doesn't happen. They say hotel, the candle remain still intact. Okay, so that's so we'll call it hotel. We'll try to pronounce H correctly. They have difficulty. Even now, if you see average Italian, he'll say, where are you saying? Sono nel hotel. Hotel, they'll say, because as if H is silent for them. Similarly, L is L, no problem. And we say letto. We pronounce it L. The alphabet L alone, we'll say L. For example, when somebody asks me to spell my name, I say U-L-L-A-L. I'm saying U-L-L-A-L, but that's how we pronounce it. So when we spell our names, also we'll say alphabet. So we'll say L-L-N-F-M. We talk like that, yeah? So this is L. M, e vi pronunciato M. E M come mela. Apple is called mela. I assume you are pronouncing it similarly because what happens is that's like breaking the ice. There is something mental that happens inside your mind when you start pronouncing it with your words. Because as long as you're reading, like I said, the mind is very deceptive, and it'll make you imagine that you're able to pronounce that word. But the moment you open your mouth, your mouth does not have the practice. Your mind may think it can recite, but the mouth does not have the memory of having pronounced it. It's very fundamental that actually you take time to pronounce those words as good as possibly can. It might still come out distorted, doesn't matter. And one of the most important thing is our language is meant for communication. Is that what you are saying should be understood to other person. That is the only purpose of language. There is no price for if you use very high sounding words. There is You might sound intellectual, but you lose the purpose. If the person in front of you is a farmer and you're using diplomatic, industrial, administrative words, which is not common with him, he doesn't understand. And also remember one thing, not all Italians speak very good Italian. That will be sounding strange to you. They're not good at that. They're not very good at it. Every Italian needs to be correct. If I have a secretary, she's Italian. I have to correct her letters sometimes because her grammar is wrong. But it's like it's not a common thing. Lots of Italians make mistakes. Now, coming back to N. No, N. Io pronuncio N. N come la nave. Nave is a ship. La nave, ship. P is P, just similar to ours. And P come pane. Pane means bread. Now the word Q, we just say Q. Q. Q come quattro. Q is Q, quattro. That's number 4. Okay. The alphabet R is pronounced R come riso. Riso means rice. Cosa hai mangiato oggi, Nea? Ho mangiato dal con riso. What did you eat today? I had dal and rice. So it said riso. Okay. Then L come letto. Your bed is called letto. I already said that. Sorry. S come sole. Okay. Sole is sun. Sole. So we don't say soul. Now English would have pronounced that word as soul, right? The English instinct of saying we'll say S-O-L-E, we'll say soul. But we say every alphabet. Sole. The last E is not to be ignored. T, again, once again, it's not Tom, no Tom, it'll be Tom. So, but c'è T come tavola o tavolo. Ok, tavolo. Dove sei? Dove è il libro? Libro è sul tavolo. V come V, we say V we pronounce as V, V. Like in Italian alphabet, the word TV will not be pronounced as TV, they'll say TV. Lori, cosa fa Jim? Jim sta guardando la TV. What is Jim doing? Jim is watching TV. So he's saying Jim sta guardando la TV. They don't say TV, TV, okay? Zetta come Zetta, we call it Zetta, Z-E-T-T, like Rita Zeta Jones. Zetta, zero, Z-E-R-O, zero, we say zero, okay? So this is now the other international letters that have been added later on. We don't have a G, the J, sorry, the J, we don't have it. We call it E lunga. Please remember, J, if you have to spell out, you'll have to say E lunga, a longer I. J will be called E lunga. Okay. If you want to spell it, because I'll tell you, we'll use, for example, Giovanni is not written with a J, it's written with a G-I-O. The K had to be added later on. We didn't have K also. So that is called kappa. The letter K is pronounced as kappa. W is pronounced as doppia V. Doppia V. Double V. W, we say doppia V. And X is pronounced as X. I-C-S, X. And Y is called Ypsilon. Ypsilon or Y. They call it a Greek Y. Okay, they say Y. Now, there are also other ways how this is they're showing you how a pronunciation is now. A, let's just go through with Abid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. Then these are the international. So here you can write your own name and pronounce it and write down these are the names. Okay. So now I'm going because that's a basic thing. This is how we need to remember the basic words. Now I'm going up and starting over here because these already started with much bigger words. So now we can go to the beginning and this is the first chapter. Okay. So this is a normal conversation between Mustafa and Li Ping. I don't know why my M is missing. So now here, Jim, you be Mustafa and let Neha be Li Ping. Li Ping, you're from China, and Mustafa, you're from Casablanca, Morocco. Mic on, Lore. Oh, sorry, Jim. Put the mic on. So you'll read the Li Ping
Yes.
conversation and Li Ping and Mustafa conversation be read by Neha. Okay. Let's try. Let's make it.
So, so ciao,
See.
i, mi
Io. All
chiami
alphabets read.
Liping. I, yeah, io mi chiamo Liping.
Bravo, very nicely said. Once again, ciao, io mi chiamo Li Ping.
Io,
And now the continue. Next, the question to her is, or to him is, e tu continue.
e tu come
Ti
io
chiami. This is wrong. This is spelling
ti,
mistake.
oh,
Come
chiamo.
ti chiami. And you, how, and what do
Oh,
you, what
yeah.
is your name? Maybe on your book, it's not, the mistake is not there, right?
No, it's not in the print.
In
It's
the
it's
print,
only
this
on the
is when I
screen.
when I translate. I no, I would have to do it from PDF. I had to do it in Word, so that's why. But look, it's okay.
Yeah,
Come ti
that's
chiami
fine.
means
Yeah.
okay. So you're saying, now you're saying, ciao. You're telling Mustafa, ciao, mi chiamo Li Ping. E tu, come ti chiami? What is your name? Mustafa, start.
Io mi chiamo Mustafa, piacere.
Very good, huh? Piacere, very good. Very nice to pronounce. Io mi chiamo Mustafa. Piacere means pleasure is mine. The word piacere means pleasure. So we say it's a pleasure to know you. We say piacere. It's a very polite way, na, Lori? When you meet somebody, ciao, come ti chiami? Then you say hi, piacere. We say piacere, pleasure. That's how we greet each other
Mhm.
normally. Piacere. Then leaping, continue. The pleasure is all
Oh,
mine,
this
gentlemen. Hmm.
is that one right there? Let's see. Yeah. Io sono.
No,
No, no, no.
piacere mio.
Leaping. You're leaping.
Oh,
Remember, you are.
yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry.
This is different. The book is different. You need to look at the screen.
Okay. Piacere mio.
Di,
Dove,
say.
di dove sei? Di
Say.
dove sei?
Okay. So what you're
Sei.
saying is the pleasure is all mine. Where are you from? You're asking Mustafa, where are you from? Mustafa respond.
Io sono marocchino, sono di Casablanca. E tu?
Okay, so she said very nice pronunciation. Yeah, I must tell you. Clean down. You know why? You know, Indians have got 56, 50, almost 58 alphabets. So our tongue is so exposed to every pronunciation that we can speak Arabic, everything very quickly. Whereas you know, this Thai has 18 like alphabets. Imagine Thai. So we have a lot. Even Italian had to be added these words. So now, io sono, now you're, if you're, you said you're speaking as a man. You said io sono marocchino, sono di Casablanca. E tu? As a woman, you would have said, io sono marocchina, okay? E sono di Casablanca e tu, okay? No, but you're being a man now. Leaping last sentence.
So, yeah, io sono
Cinese,
di cinese
Pechino.
di Pechino.
Peking. It's called Pechino. The
Oh,
word Peking.
Peking. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay.
I'm Chinese
Pechino.
from Peking, okay? Io sono cinese, but you
Mm.
said, but you know what? I liked it that you pronounce it correctly. Io sono cinese di Pichingo. Okay, so now they want to know io mi chiamo, you write your own name and where are you from. Okay, this is what you write for yourself on your exercise book. Your exercise book should be written with pencil only. Do not use pen. We might need to cancel and correct sometimes. So whatever you do,
Yeah.
right? But it's okay. I know you. So after if it's correct, then it's okay. But you see, there's a pencil drawn over here. We didn't draw a pen over here for that reason because you might have to change. Now let's finish this first example. You're doing very well. All three of you have got good pronunciation. Laurie didn't say a word so far. Now, Laurie, it's going to be your turn to fill up the blanks, and you read the whole sentence. First, let us fill it up. Leaping says, ciao, io mi dash leaping. What is the word he used at io mi? How do you say what your name is? Io mi chiamo.
Yeah. Io mi chiamo.
You'll fill up the word chiamo. You write over here chiamo, leaping.
Chiamo.
E tu, then here you write come ti chiami, come ti chiami. And what's your name? So here you'll write ciao, io mi chiamo, write down chiamo, which is written over here, chiamo, like this. Okay. And now when you go down, you'll write here e tu come ti chiami, come, C-O, like come, in English come, C-O-M-E. And we pronounce come, and you write T. E tu come ti. So you write come and ti and chiami. So this, should I write down for you or you'll understand? I'm writing the first example and you should do it in future like that. Okay, so io mi chiamo. Okay. And here, e tu come ti. This is how you should fill it up. Okay, with pencil. Got it? Ciao, io mi
Ambrish,
chiamo Liping e tu come ti chiami? Jim, you got a
Ambrish, real
question?
quick.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Um, on Li Ping's response, ciao, io mi chiamo. If that was a female, would it be ciao, io mi chiami?
No chiamo. Io mi chiamo.
No,
Io mi chiamo Liping, even
not a
it's a man.
gender.
No,
No,
it's not gender. Mine, I'm called.
Okay.
I'm called is not a
Okay.
gender.
Okay.
it's
I'm
the
called
conjugation.
is. Both will say I'm called. You'll say Laurie. You say I'm called Laurie. You'll say I'm called Jim. You'll not say I'm okay. I'll tell
Okay.
you when the gender changes. No, this is like very, very basic. Nice from the roots. So when you know all this, everything else will be built upon whatever you know here. So it's okay. And remember, allowed to make mistakes. Ask the most weirdest questions. Language is not logic. Language has its own logic. It should not match your logic. Should not give any sense to you. Because I tell you one thing. In German language, the sun is called the die Sonne. Die Sonne is feminine, and moon is called der Mond. Right? That is the moon is masculine, whereas in Italian is la luna is feminine and il sole masculine. Okay, so that is totally opposite. Like I said, logic. Every language has its own logic. It need not fit yours. And remember one thing: we'll not go in the labyrinth of grammatic. We want to be able to speak fluently, understand fluently without needing a translator. And for that, we just need the basics. Remember, in the beginning, don't try to sound very intelligent or too eloquent. Use simple words. We will gradually add and increase your vocabulary. Go with the next sentence, Laurie. What can be? Dash mi chiamo Mustafa Piacere. So what would be here?
Io.
Yes, the right a big I and O. Io. And that
Io
means
mi
also
chiamo Mustafa. Piacere.
very good, very nicely pronounced. Jim, give her a pat on the back. Io mi chiamo, there you go. Leaping. Now this time, Neha be the leaping.
Oh, that was me.
No, no, no,
She said
no,
she
no, no.
doesn't-
Okay,
Not
sorry.
she. Okay, I'm like letting her do the. When he said, look at the conversation. Mustafa said, Io mi chiamo Mustafa Piacere. And what is your answer then? Dash mio.
Piacere mio.
Yes.
Di dove sei?
See, bravissima. Well done. She's a natural. Di dove sei? Well done. And Mustafa, you answer. Io sono.
Oh, me again. Io sono marocchino. Um,
Sono di.
mm,
Sono di Casablanca. Sono.
Yes, sono di, I am, yes.
Sono di
Sono
casa.
di Casablanca e tu?
Bene. Leaping, Neha.
Io sono cinese di Pechino.
Sì, sono cinese di Pechino. So,
Okay.
have you any ways to write down what you're written? You have no, you don't have this page over here. Have you a printout of this version? You have nothing in front of you.
I have notepad.
But no, wait it.
Not
You don't. I have given this to you. No, you have that. You have the PDF inside your WhatsApp, right?
yes, I do have the PDF.
So I would suggest
Yes.
if tomorrow, if you have a printer at home, at least print the first 10 pages. So it's then you write on top, otherwise you have to rewrite again, which is not a problem, but just to make it easy for you. Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
sure.
this is a mind game. Huh? Now, first question is for Laurie. You have to rearrange the words and make the right sentence in A. So say ti come ciao chiami. Put them together in right order.
Ok. Ciao, come ti chiami?
There you go. Fantastic. Write it down. Ciao, comma, come ti chiami? Question mark. And Neha, go with the B one. Chiamo mi io li ping. You rearrange the alphabet.
Um, mi, mi chiamo Leaping.
Where's the io gone? It starts with I am called leaping. Io mi chiamo leaping. Is there a 1, 2, 3, 4? You have to rearrange them. Na?
Io mi chiamo Leaping.
Brava, brava. Jim, go with the C.
Dare
Two side.
to
Hmm.
no. Uh, dare to dove sei? Dare to dove sei? Is that
No,
right? No.
no. Tu di dove sei? Where are you from?
T
There is
okay.
no A. There is no A. Tu, no.
You.
To
Tu di
You?
dove
Where are
sei?
you from?
yeah.
Where
To
are you from? Tu di dove sei? Okay. And Lori, go with the D. All right, the words are Marocchino, di, io, Casablanca, sono.
Sono. Is that supposed to be sono?
Yeah.
Okay. Io sono di
No. Io sono first
io
nationality.
sono
Yeah, go on. Yeah. Io
uh,
sono.
io sono marocchino di
Yes.
Casablanca.
Perfect. Io sono Marocchino di Casablanca is the right order of the sentence. Well done. Jim, go with the E.
let's see. Io sono di cinese.
No, no, you can't say io sono di cinese. Io sono
Io
cinese.
sono
First nationality
di
and then the city.
io sono cinese di Pechino.
It's like saying, I'm
Pechino.
American from Los Angeles. You know, they say, I'm American from Los Angeles. I'm Chinese from Peking. Okay? So it says, io
Yeah,
sono
okay.
cinese di Pechino. Di Pechino. Okay, now we are trying to read it, being more fluent about the same exercise, the Buongiorno exercise, the first meeting of the people, the leaping and Olga. Now, Laurie, you be Olga, and Neha, you be leaping for the first four sentences. Start.
Buongiorno, io mi chiamo Leaping. E tu?
Laurie,
Io mi chiamo Olga, piacere.
continue.
Piacere voi, di dove sei?
Piacere mio. Pleasure is mine.
Sorry.
Piacere
Pia-
mio.
Piacere mio, di dove sei?
Bravissima. Olga, Laurie, go.
Sono ucraina, di
No,
Borodianka. E tu?
Ok. Sono ucraina.
Ucraina.
Sono ucraina di Borodianca e
Sono,
tu?
sono ucraina di Borodianca. E tu?
Neha?
Io sono cinese di Pechino.
Brava. Now Olga is Jim.
Lei, come
Lui.
sta
No, no, no,
chiami?
lei. Lui.
Lui, lui, come
Lui
sta
is
chiami?
this guy. Next, somebody else, no? Lui,
Yeah.
come si chiama? Lui come si chiama? Ok, leaping answer. Neha.
Lui, eh,
Si
lui
chiama.
s-
That is a
si
wrong spelling.
chiama Mustafa. Ok.
Lui si chiama.
Lui si chiama Mustafa.
Jim, continue.
De dove è?
No, no, it's not they. Di dove è?
Di dove è?
Where
Di
is he
dove
from?
è?
Where is he from? Di dove è? Di dove è?
Di dove è? Di dove è? Ah, yeah.
Bravo.
Di dove è?
Okay, then
Come?
come, because she didn't understand what you're saying. Come? If you say
Come?
seriously, come?
Di dove è lei?
Lui.
Look.
Okay, there's
Di
a
dove
bloke.
è?
Look at the picture over here. You see, there are two
Yes,
guys, na? There's a Chinese guy.
yes, yeah.
Look at him.
Louis.
She's here.
Yes,
She's asking about him, na?
yes.
Where is he from? Okay, so you get a better idea. Look at the faces. Get used to the pictures, the characters. Saying, di dove? And then the leaping didn't understand. Said, what? Saying, where is he from? Then he said, lui è Marocchino. She did, because leaping is not Italian. He didn't understand. He said, what do you mean by that? He said, that means, where is he from? He said, now I understood. Lui è Marocchino. So he told his nationality instead of saying, where is he from? He didn't say he's from Morocco. He said he's Marocchino. Okay? Now I'll look. But you've done for the first day. Believe me, I'm not too both. All of you, all three of you, have done got a very good loose tongue and very easy. Because you see, you'll see when Lisa and Lisa's husband is my God. Anyway, when he'll come, he's got a very sharp D's and T's. So he say, yeah, come te chiama. He talks like that, and it's hard for him to get rid of that American accent, which is you already have it lost, which is good. Now, come 15 chiama lei. 50, that is probably wrong with me. This my printing is wrong. Come si chiama lei? Lei si chiama. What's her name? Lei si chiama Olga. You write over here
Olga.
Olga.
Okay.
Di dove è Olga? Veloce. Di dove è lei? Olga is from? Lei è
Ucraina.
Ah,
Ucraina.
so the question is, where is Olga from? Lei è Ucraina. Okay. Now, here, Jim, come si chiama lui? Lui si chiama?
Lui si chiama Liping.
Liping.
Yeah. Ok, di dove è Liping? Lui è?
Cinese di Pechino.
Sì, bravissima. Lui è
Pechino.
cinese. From where? Because the spelling is wrong over here. So where is he from? He's from Peking. Lui è cinese di Pechino. Brava, Neha. Lori, go with the last one. Come si chiama lui?
Come si chiama lui? Lui si chiama Mufasa.
Mustafa. Mufasa.
Mustafa.
Mufasa, name of the
Oh, Lion King.
elephant in Madagascar. Mambasa. Okay. Mustafa. Mustafa. That's a very famous Arabic song. Yeah, Mustafa. Yeah. Okay. Dov'è Mustafa? So dov'è Mustafa?
Lui è marocchino.
Lui è marocchino.
Lui è marocchino.
That's an accent on E. Okay, now complete it. Now let's complete the sentence. You know what? When our mind is tickled like that, the curiosity rises. When it's like a puzzle and you have to fill up the blanks, and your mind starts working. Na? So now it's sleeping. Ciao, io, we filled up. Mi chiamo Liping. E tu? The same conversation going on. We are just recircling it, making sure if you are able to fill up spontaneously. So Liping says, ciao, io mi chiamo Liping. E tu?
Mi chiamo?
Olga will say dash. What will come here? Dash mi chiamo.
Uh,
Io. Io will come here.
Io.
Io mi chiamo Olga, piacere. Then Dipping says piacere. Olga says, e lui come si chiama? Vedi come
Sì,
si
yes.
chiama? Lui come si chiama? Ok? What is his name? Lui come si chiama? Lui si chiama Mustafa. Okay, you're filling up these words. Or you fill it up also afterwards if you want. Lui si chiama Mustafa. Look, di dov'è lui? Come? L'Olga. Same conversation over here, no? Di dove è lui? E lui è Olga. Di dove è lui? Lui è marocchino. Okay, basically you're just copying what is over here.
Marocchino.
Marocchino. So now we have to learn, again, here is a question of reordinare, which you'll do at home if you want to, or you can do it right away. Because then we have to go to read all the nationalities. We'll go through all the countries, how the countries are called, and how are the men and the women called of the same country. Okay, Americana, Americano, Americana, Indiano, Indiana, like that. No. So let's go. Let's reorder. The first one is for Neha. Those words to be Si Mustafa lui chiama e Casablanca Morocchino di.
Lui è Mustafa. No,
Okay. The first will be lui. Si.
lui
Lui si
si
chiama
lui
Mustafa
si chiama Mustafa.
e
È
Marocchino di
marocchino.
Casablanca. Got it? The sentence is lui si chiama Mustafa e Marocchino di Casablanca. Should I write it down for you?
No, that's fine.
Uh, you're doing it now or you will do it later on? Are you writing it down now? Loris? Lori?
Yes.
Mhm. Yes.
Yep.
And the second one, Lori, go free fall. Just do on your own fantasy. And what do you think is right?
Lei si Olga. No,
Lei, no, no, no.
Lei si
Lei,
chiama Olga.
sì.
È di Borodianca.
Yes. No, lei no, è Ucraina di
Oh,
Borodina.
è ucraina di Borodianca.
First the nationality and the city. Okay.
Yeah.
So it says, lei si chiama Olga, è Ucraina di Borodianca. Neha, go with the third one.
Lui si chiama Li Ping. È cinese di Pechino.
Yes. But Jim, go with the last one. Jim is busy.
Is that number 3?
Number 4.
Number 4. Let's see. Io sono
Mustafa.
Mustafa, sorry.
Don't let me get in your head.
Io sono
No,
Mustafa.
io mi chiamo. Look at the words we have to say.
Yeah.
Here now it says my name. Here says I am called. Here first is io
Yeah.
mi chiamo Mustafa.
Mi
Sono
chiamo
marocchino di Casablanca. Okay?
Okay.
Io mi chiamo Mustafa. Sono marocchino di Casablanca. All the words used in the right order.
Okay.
So far, how do you feel? How was the feeling? It's not complicated, nah? It's understandable. Okay,
Yes.
you're not
Yes.
going too fast and whatever. Okay. Now, if Neha had a book, she'd be also running. Now, we are talking about all the various nationalities. So I just write how we read the countries. Now you say Algeria, Brasile, Cina, Egitto, Francia, Giappone, Inghilterra. You get used to the letters, how we call the various countries in Italian, okay? Inghilterra, Italia, Marocco, Moldavia, Peru, Polonia, Romania, Russia, Senegal, Sri Lanka, Tunisia, So the men are called Algerino, femina called Algerina, Brasiliano, Brasiliana, Cinese, Cinese, Egiziano, Egiziana, Francese, Francese. Some of them don't change. Giapponese, Giapponese, Inglese, Inglese, Italiano e Italiana, Marocchino, Marocchina, Moldavo, Moldava, Peruviano, Peruviana, Polacco, Polacca, Rumeno, Rumena, Russo, Russa, Senegalia, Senegalese, Sri Lanka es Cingalese, Cingalese. Tunisia es Tunisia, Tunisino e Tunisina. Okay. So these are, okay, now we'll stop over here. I'm going back up there. Okay. So we have covered the chapter. Now we are on page number. Hold on. We are on page number. What page are we on? Now, after having learned how to call the nationalities, now Alvaro is from Peru. So Alvaro is Peruviano. So when you learn the Peruviano, okay? So Alvaro is Peruviano. Felipe è brasiliano. Tamara è rumena. Romania is called rumena. Mustafa è marocchino. Kate è inglese. Shiro è giapponese. Andrei è polacco. Abdei è di Senegalia. Vladimir è russo. Shala è tunisina. Tunisina. So this you will fill up on your own, and we'll start tomorrow from Unita Uno. And that'll be page number. What is the page gone? I don't have page numbers here.
On the far left.
It's
9.
9.
So page
Page
number
9,
9.
yeah.
So page 9 and page that's very nice. 10 and okay, 9. Okay, that's page.
No.
Page 9, 10, 11, and 12. What I'll do now is I'll give you the English explanation. You print out Neha, you print out for yourself. I'll give you English explanation to give you a little bit deeper feedback. So when you're back here, you look smart tomorrow when we do this, okay? So this is so far what we're doing is for here. But now listen, we have to do something else. Ours is not over. We are late, but we'll do this anyway. Some words of Italian. Now I have two situations. I'll not do, let's do words today. Let's do words.
Gym. Palestra.
Gym is, there's some words, I'm throwing some words at you, know. Gym is called palestra.
Palestra. College.
College is, so no?
College.
College, diciamo che vado a college.
College.
Yeah,
Often.
spesso.
Spesso.
Please say it loudly. Often is spesso. इसको जरा से तो सही एक उधर खाली है ना एक इनमें से एक जगह खाली है शुक्रिया next
Spesso.
Usually.
di solito usually is di solito
Di solito.
usually so like when you say what does your husband have Lori then you say di solito beve birra usually he has beer like that's di solito I was right okay
You know him already.
Di solito.
Never.
mai
Mai.
I hope you're saying it loud in your own rooms, huh?
Mai. Gasoline.
Benzina.
Benzina. Benzina.
Vigile di fuoco, vigile di fuoco. This you must learn also for patente.
Vigile del fuoco. Vigile del fuoco. Biology.
Biologia, biologia.
Biologia. Biologia.
Factory worker.
Perché
Operaio di fabbrica.
operaio di fabbrica. A work is operaio. Any work is operaio. Bene, we'll stop at the work now. And per questa sera è andata bene. Per domani, you have the homework. Homework is called compito. Allora, quando vi chiedo, when I ask you, avete fatto il compito? Have you done your homework? You say, sì, abbiamo fatto il compito. Io ho fatto il compito. So I've done my homework, okay? So we'll do this. And remember, think of 5 words that you want to introduce in your local colloquial language. If you think some words that you listen very often, get them out and we'll find the meaning of it and you'll try to use it in your local language. Okay, so please, and remember, at least 15 minutes of any kind of YouTube in Italian language, like a news or whatever you like, watch it. Just listen to it. Even if you don't have to watch it, just listen to it. As you're cooking and doing something else, now let something Italian play there. Even if it doesn't make any sense, your ears to get constantly bombarded by Italian language. You, especially Neha, if you're far away, you have to do all the more. Look for some YouTube channels and when you do something, let it go on. And you don't have to pay attention. Do your homework and whatever you're doing, yeah? Va bene? Alright, per questa sera è tutto. Ci vediamo domani. Buona serata. Arrivederci. Ci sentiamo.
Ciao ciao.
Anche te.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao ciao.